So alright, the GoPro Hero 9. I do not have the privilege to get this sent to me days before and prepare a video for this. I had to wait until it's available in the store, and then I went there to buy it. So I'm having this as it is out of the store right now. This is like a few minutes old, and when I see all those others flooding YouTube now with those review videos, they must have gotten that from GoPro, shipped to them for review. I had to pay for this thing, and I think it's like expensive. So let's see what's in the box. I am doing this review now here. That box looks good. Zipper, not bad. And then let's see what we have here. Okay, put it here. Let's start with the accessories that come with it first. And I zoom in and make it as clear as possible, okay? Here, USB cable to charge. Rounded curved surface mount. A new battery. So I checked this battery out. This battery only fits in the GoPro Hero 9. Maybe in 10 or 11, who knows, but it does not fit with the others, and it doesn't fit in any charger or anything, so you have to charge it in this camera. They didn't have a second battery here in the store, so they just had the camera. Let's take that out. That's how it looks like. And then I'm going to get a close-up when I remove the tape of it. So let's see. Let's remove the tape. This thing just slides off like this. Protecting here, there. Nice. There, not one fingerprint on there, brand new. Look at this. The display. There we go. That's how it looks like. It feels a little bigger than the other one. Let's see what we have in there. The battery thing, it's the same as the other cameras. USB there. And then here, what is that? No idea. Just some gaps in there. I don't know what that is good for. And then on-off button. Let's try the battery. Battery goes in. So the first initial on, so you select the language there, but what I want to see is, so there is no SD card in there, and 7% charged, and software version is 1.00.